You guys, there's more. So here's the speaker. I was just like looking and I saw like a thing and I looked in and under there. Look. Angela. And then look. Oh, don't choke on me. Can you see in there? Can you see in there? Can you see it? There's another one. Okay, let's see if we can get the other one. It's kind of in there. I can't. Has been delayed. Sound. I don't know. Has been developed. Let's take a look at these, huh? So the black one, XL, made in USA. Metal. Now then, damn, heavy. That's cool. All right. The other one says something meteor? Meter? Okay. Let's hope. Well, it's not an original. There's a soundtrack on here, but